Hey guys, so today while we are in quarantine, I'm doing a tutorial on how to use Olaplex number 3 through 7. So if you guys don't know what Olaplex is, I'm going to do a quick write-up on my website, and the link below will send you guys not only to that write-up, but where you can purchase these products yourself along with every other product that I used in this video. So let's get started. I'm going to completely soak my hair, and please don't mind the facial expressions. I didn't realize how intense they were until I looked at this video again. So if you guys haven't figured it out, you're going to use these products in the order that they're labeled in, 3 through 7. As you can see, this is all I need. I have a ton of hair, so I emulsified in my hands before I put it throughout my hair. Man, these facial expressions are wild. But I emulsify it first before I put it through my hair, and then I use the shower water to run the rest of it through my hair. So you're not going to continuously pack on product. You're going to use the water to your advantage. Number 3 has to sit for 10 minutes before you rinse it out and move on to step 4. Step 4. Okay, so as you can see, I don't have that much in my hand because believe me, a little bit goes a long way, and you're about to see it. And you shampoo your hair as you regularly would with step 4, using again the water to spread it around. But as you can see, a little goes a long way. Okay, so now we're at step 5. This is conditioner. Again, you're going to do the same thing. Emulsify it in your hands first. Spread it throughout your hair and let the water spread the rest of it. Step 5, you have to let this sit for at least 3 minutes before you rinse it out. But this would be a great time to detangle your hair. And obviously, this is easier to do in the shower than leaned over a sink. So also note, in this part, when you see me detangling with my brush, I am brushing vertically and not horizontally. Yeah, don't do that. Brush vertically and then horizontally. That way you're going from ends to root, and it'll make it a lot easier to make it through your hair without ripping it out. Also, the link to purchase a brush is also going to be available on my website as well, with the rest of the links to these products. Okay, on to step 6, the good old leave-in conditioner. So you guys, this stuff is really thick. I beg of you, I know you want to like slather it all in your hair, but don't do it. Your hair is only going to absorb so much. The rest of it is going to be built up. So as you can see, I'm just putting it in, focusing it on my ends or whatnot. Yeah, just distributing that through there. So next we move on to the oil. Again, these are professional grade products, so you do not need to use a lot. A little goes a long way, and I know my hair looks like it's already completely dry, but it's actually damp. So once I put both of these in, then I'm going to use the brush that I was just using to detangle to evenly distribute the rest of the product throughout my hair. Done, you can just style as desired. I decided to blow dry my hair using my wrap air The link to that will also be available on my website, along with the rest of the links to these products. And I'm just going to style it from here, you guys. So this is the finished product of my blow dry. It took me about 10 minutes to do it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comment section of this video, and double tap the screen if you found this helpful. So just a little sidebar, guys. Olaplex is not a protein treatment or a deep conditioner. So then it's like, what is it? It's a bond rebuilder. It rebuilds the foundations of your hair. So if your hair is damaged, color treated, or you're looking for curl reversion, then this is the perfect product for you. The reason that I have recommended 3 through 7 to my clients, because they are not able to come to the salon right now in order to get their regimen with me that they usually get. So I know you're probably wondering, where is 1 and 2? 1 and 2 is done at the salon, and that is only available for licensed professionals. So I just wanted to clear the air with that. So you put your protein and moisture on top of this once it rebuilds your hair, if that makes sense. As I said before, if you guys have any additional questions, and if this wasn't clear, let me know in the comments. But again, the write-up is going to be on my website along with all of the products. So thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll talk to you later.